So, you come to me now because you need something. Take him away. So, you come to me now because you need something. Take him away. So, you come to me now because you need something. Take him away. So, you come to me now because you need something. Take him away. That's an example of the 4 body types being used to rehearse a particular character. And I like to stretch the envelope when I'm rehearsing a character. I like to try on all the different body types and some of the lines and see which feels more right for this character in this particular production, whether it's theater or film. And that's one of the beauties of Chekhov technique. It gives you that ability to explore without just random guessing at how to deliver a line and thinking about how your voice sounds or thinking about, no, you don't do any of that. You simply feel the body, the imaginary body. And that's where we're going to begin in my beginning classes. We're going to start with the imaginary body. And the imaginary body is that of your character, not your own. So you take your imaginary body and you start to develop that body with a body type. And after we get the body type down, then we'll move on to the next area of class. So in past videos, I've done some explanation of how to do each of the body types. I'm going to do that more in depth in my beginning class video, which I'm going to be doing pretty soon. So enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whatever it is when you see this video, and join me on Patreon. Get the beginning class, the intermediate class, the advanced class, and the master class. They're all there, different levels, because we're all at different levels in our training and in our profession. Break a leg, everybody.